Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. So today's video I will be doing a DIY hair grow oil that can really benefit and contribute to your hair growth. So in there I have fenugreek seed, I have clove, and I also have sage, which is good for our health. So now I'm just going to put everything inside my blender so I can blend it into a powder form. So to my returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming back to watch today's video. I really appreciate you guys a lot. If you are new here, you are also welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video to watch. If you like what you see at the end of this video, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out any of my new video. If you just subscribe to my channel, I appreciate you a lot. Thank you so much for subscribing. So guys, today is going to be a very healthy hair growth oil that we are going to be making. So those three ingredients are so good for our hair growth. They have one way or the other to contribute to promote our hair growth and to also cure our scalp condition or scalp problem that you might be facing, like dandruff, like itchy scalp, any other scalp issue that you know you are facing. This is going to be a cure to it. So now, as you can see, I'm done blending the ingredients, so it's not in a powder form. So I'm just going to put it inside that my jug. So I'll be infusing this for some weeks so that I can get all the benefit. If you don't have that patient, you can use the double boiler to infuse this oil and start using it. So I added my ginger powder. So now I am going to add my moringa powder as well, which is so good for hair growth. Moringa have a lot of benefit, a lot of benefit that can really help to promote your health growth, to solve all your health problems. So here is my ginger and my moringa. So now I'm just going to mix everything together so everything can combine very well. So I will be using olive oil for this and other oil as well, but olive oil is going to be my base oil. So you can choose any oil to be your base oil, like coconut, grapeseed, almond, any oil that you know you like. You can choose it to be your base oil. So I love olive oil, and it's also affordable, so I'm going to make it my base oil. So now I'm going to add my sweet almond oil. I'll be adding 2 spoons of sweet almond oil. So I will also be adding my wheat germ oil. So I will be adding 2 spoons of my wheat germ oil, which is so good to stimulate your scalp. Like, use this and you are going to love it. Here I have my safflower oil. This also help a lot to stimulate your scalp, to promote hair growth. I'm also going to add my grapeseed oil. So that oil is so amazing. So now I've added all my oil. So if you still have any other oil that you use that I don't have, you can also add it to it. Okay, so just feel free to add any other oil that you love to use on your hair. So now I'm just going to mix everything together to combine it very well. Then I'm going to put it in a hot water. Then and when I remove it, I'm just going to keep it in the dark cool place, so for 3 to 2 weeks. So guys, yeah, it's about almost a month, guys, since so it's about a month now. So this is how my oil is looking like now. As you can see how dark and really full of nutrients and a lot of benefits that can really speed your hair growth in a minute. So guys, now I'm just going to strain out the oil and just start using it on our hair. Guys, this oil is just perfect for your hair. That anything that you are having, just make this oil for yourself and you are going to love it. So now I'm going to add my vitamin E and also castor oil. So I will add this. I'm adding the after I infuse the oil. So I'm just going to add this now after I infuse the oil. So here is my set of essential oil. So I'm just going to add this also. So fenugreek seed is so good for hair growth. Like, it has a very nutrient and that can promote hair growth, and it also good for dandruff. If you are facing, you have dandruff on your hair, fenugreek seed can help you solve that and also can stop hair loss. So clove can also help you to promote hair growth. So it also good for our roots, the roots of our hair, because it can strengthen and also add shine to our hair. It can really stimulate blood flow in the scalp and also promote a strong healthy hair growth. So sage is one thing that can really help you to grow your hair. So it can strengthen your hair follicles. It also good to boost blood circulation in the scalp. It also increase and supply nutrient to the hair follicles, which is so good for our hair, guys. If you are not be using sage on your hair, please go and look for it and start using it on your hair, because it's so good for our hair and also our scalp. It help your blood to keep flowing, and that alone can really contribute to hair growth. So now done I'm done adding everything, all my essential oil that I want to add. Now our oil is ready for use. You can massage this on your hair 3 times a week. Don't wash it out, just leave it in on your hair. Massage it very well for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just massage, make sure you really do the massage very well. That is going to help to stimulate your scalp, and that can also help to increase your hair growth. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your post notification, share with your friends and family. So this is how our oil is looking like now. So dark and packed with a lot and a lot of benefits that can solve all your hair problems, that can really increase your hair growth, that can do everything that you want it to do for you. So if you like, share, like I said before, subscribe. The remaining one, I'm going to add it to my other hair growth oil, so nothing is going to be waste. Okay, I love you all. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and stay blessed. There is nothing God cannot do.